Hi there. Are you looking to improve safety, minimize downtime, and improve your bottom line when it comes to your mining, quarry, or construction operations? I'm Carlos Sepulveda, Bridgestone OTR Training Manager, and I'm here to tell you that Bridgestone Off-The-Road has several free training options, both in person and online. Mine, quarry, and construction personnel can join me in Bloomington, Illinois, or Aiken, South Carolina for a 2-day course on end-user training. In this workshop, you'll learn about proper tire selection and how to spot an issue before it causes unscheduled downtime, analyze out-of-service tire conditions, and discuss preventative maintenance through best practices. Bridgestone Mine and Tire Program Managers and OTR Service Techs can also learn mining tire performance best practices in a 2-day course offered in Aiken, South Carolina. Those new to sales can become trusted business advisors in just 48 hours with our on-site sales training in Bloomington, Illinois. Sales staff can learn to identify the differences between bias and radial tire construction and use the data book and other resources to recommend the right tire for the operation and help optimize production for their customers. Contact your local Bridgestone rep or shoot me an email to register for any of these in-person classes. Can't make it out to South Carolina or Illinois? Don't worry. We offer live online virtual courses on end-user, dealer OTR sales, surface mining, and more, con algunos cursos disponibles en español. As always, work safe, stay safe, and see you in class soon.